Hey guys, welcome back to the ConfermentRM YouTube channel, getting ourselves back into a 2-minute technicals video looking at Bitcoin. And as we can see right now, Bitcoin is having one heck of a time holding on to that 236 around that $26,833 from the previous low set over here on May 24th and on May 12th. But as you guys know, we are looking at that full extension, getting down there to around that problematic region of around that $25,000 to $25,300 right there. And as you can see right now, we are coming up here on the RSI, coming up for another retest. Looks like we've tried to bottom out around 38, but it's not really quite that full retracement after hitting a high like that. Usually we come down at least to around a 30 or a 23, as you can see right here, this region. And we haven't done that yet. It looks like right now, volumetrically, we're falling down a little bit. We're not as high. We're dwindling hard here. Also, on the short-term chart here, we try to get wicking back up, hitting the 382, and now holding the bottom end of the chart. Looks like we fulfilled this narrative that we were kind of thinking around, late day Thursday. We were thinking of a push down here to around $26,830, and look at that, we got it. So the one thing I want to point out, which is quite interesting, is our shorts have kind of flown up out of here. What we can do, this is early in the year. The shorts are flying out of here. So for us to kind of understand what's going on, what we're going to wind up doing here, guys, is coming here, going up to a high right there, going to a high right here, the low right there, and you can see the shorts are retesting. This is just notable because the shorts are up from the bottom here since we got to this region almost 8%. So that's telling you something. And see, this is May 24th right here to May 27th. And let's see what Bitcoin looked like. Go over here to Bitcoin, May 24th. Oh, right here. Down to the 27th. And you can see those days when we got shorted, there was a short of around 4%. So even from here, if it were to do the same thing, people are shorting the same region, looking for the same sort of movement. Looks like they're hedging their bets on it going lower to around $25,300 just about. So we're definitely going to have to keep that in wraps. We're definitely going to keep that in check. So what we can also do here is we can throw a higher end of the channel here. As you guys know, we can do a higher end like this. And you could also do one on the bottom side like this if you really wanted to. It's kind of degen, but as you can see, it's still coming around to this weekend at least, or at most getting to that point. But what we could do too is come right here, and you could come in on like a 1 hour chart. Let's see how it looks. You can do it like this. From the bottom, you have numerous bottoms. It still comes out to Saturday, midday of Bitcoin. Doing at least, let's see. Let's do it from here though. Let's do it from here and here. Might be a little earlier then. Looks like it might be by tomorrow of a move of like this. Let's see, push to the bottom around 26,000 at the least. But we're in the middle of a larger range here. So if it is to break 28,840 just about, it's gonna push down. It's gonna push down to around that 28,828, and that is that 4% move. We might get a large move out of Bitcoin into the weekend. It looks like retesting the bottom of the region, because we got our retrace upwards to the 786, our fly back down, our consolidation, our capitulation back downwards, flew back up, hit this 618, and now kind of coming back down to the bottom of the region. So now it is more of a just retesting the bottom, just where we expected. But just in case, we can throw a short-term fib on here from the high to the low, and you can still see that it has to get through around 27,106 and really break a resistance around 27,500 to be able to get a nice explosion back up to around 27,940. But at the moment, if we get handled below here around the 27,100, we're just gonna come right back down to that 27,848. But I hope you guys are having a good morning, afternoon, wherever you are. Appreciate every single one of you. It is not financial advice per the usual. You guys know I'm just trying to guess the price. But we're doing pretty good here on the channel. Hope you guys have a good one. I'll see you tomorrow.